what's happening in commodities now. We have Manisha joining in as always. Manisha, what do you have your eye on?
Well, I'm looking at the silver prices. Almost all the commodities actually have had a knee-jerk reaction towards on the lower side after the US Fed meeting yesterday. But silver clearly seems to be hit the most. This is the fourth straight week that we have seen a decline come in for the silver prices, trading now just at about $29 an ounce. Well, we have seen prices decline by almost 11% from that 11-year highs that the silver prices was trading by the end of May. Remember, in the Indian markets, we almost hit that 1 lakh rupee a kg mark. The all-time high has been at around 96,000 rupees. But from those kind of levels, we've seen nearly a 10,000 rupees come off. The prices did gain on the back of one, strength in demand there. There was a lot of portfolio diversification happening. There was an expectation of a Fed rate cut as well. The safe haven buying was happening into the markets. But all of that seems to have changed a bit at this point in time. There are various factors which are having pressure right now. One is, of course, the Chinese buying, which has declined for the month of May. In the month of May, the Central Bank of China has not bought any more gold or silver. That's weighing on both of these precious metal prices. The other is that the US also has imposed sanctions on China's solar cells. So that seems to be putting some pressure. And then you have had the base metal prices decline as well. Remember, silver is half precious and half base metal. That's impacting the markets. And then the dollar has strengthened as well, making all of these dollar-denominated commodities also slightly under pressure. The street does believe that if we break that important $29 per ounce mark, then we perhaps are heading towards 27. But most banks and brokerages still believe that we could be closing this year higher at 32. There are targets of 35, 38 for the next year as well. So this perhaps could be a near-term correction.
Well, I guess profits were more precious than precious metals themselves, as it chose to take some profits off the table there when it comes to silver. Manisha, thanks a lot for that. And the correction in silver is also showing up